ESTELITE SIGMA Quick has been the most successful universal composite without interruption since 2010. The material has received this award from the renowned trade journal Dental Advisor due to its simple and aesthetic application. The annual TOP Award recognizes the intensive research and development of our universal composite. ESTELITE SIGMA Quick is based on an innovative manufacturing process. Unique spherical fillers guarantee highest polishability to a gloss-like glass within just a few seconds. The spherical supra-nanoparticles differ significantly in shape and size from conventional fillers. The uniform size of 200 nanometers enables perfect aesthetic results. The spherical fillers of ESTELITE SIGMA Quick form a naturally smooth surface. The light is optimally reflected. This creates a natural and long-lasting gloss. Teeth are individual, so an exceptional composite is needed to imitate all the infinite variety of tooth colors. ESTELITE SIGMA Quick colors are capable of imitating adjacent shade ranges too. This pronounced chameleon effect ensures the best possible result. The material adapts individually to the natural tooth without any time-consuming shade determination. The individual aesthetics are complemented by an innovative curing system. Thanks to our patented and unique RAP technology, ESTELITE SIGMA Quick cures within only 10 seconds. RAP technology is a polymerization process enhanced by free radicals. The camphor quinone used is self-perpetuating in a pure energy transfer and not consumed as usual. This allows the light curing process to take place much faster. Easy and fast, natural and aesthetic, maximum satisfaction. ESTELITE SIGMA Quick, the pearl amongst composites. Get to know ESTELITE SIGMA Quick without obligation and convince yourself by visiting our website tokuyama-dental.eu.